Meta Q3 2025 earnings. Fast breakdown. Here's the fast breakdown of Meta's Q3 2025 earnings. Revenue hit $24 billion, up 26% year over year, beating estimates, but a new U.S. tax law caused a $15.93 billion non-cash charge, dropping net income 83% to $2.71 billion. GAAP EPS fell to 1.05, missing expectations. However, adjusted net income surged 19% to $18.64 billion, with adjusted EPS hitting 7.25, an 8% beat. Despite the strong quarter, Meta's stock dropped 9% after hours to around 685, though many experts still call it a buy. Now for the details. Advertising, making up 98% of revenue, grew 26% to $50.08 billion, driven by 14% more ad views and 10% higher prices. Meta's AI ad tools now bring in over $60 billion annually, boosting conversions by 5% on Instagram and 3% on Facebook. Reels hit a $50 billion run rate, with video engagement up 30% year over year. On profitability, operating margin fell to 40% from 43% due to AI spending. Expenses surged 32% to $30.71 billion, driven by a 30% R&D spend on AI talent and cloud services. Free cash flow was $10.63 billion, down 32% yearly, but up 24% quarterly. The family of apps drove 99% of revenue, up 26% year over year. Other income jumped 59% to $690 million. Reality Labs revenue hit $470 million, driven by Quest headsets and Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses, which saw sales triple. However, the division posted a $443 billion loss, fueling its strategic push for AR and VR dominance. Let's talk engagement. Daily active users across all apps hit 3.54 billion, up 8% year over year, smashing analyst predictions. Threads engagement rose 10% and Facebook 5%, but average revenue per user fell 11% to $10.93 due to growth in lower income regions. On the product front, Meta AI now has over 1 billion monthly active users. Superintelligence Labs is targeting open source AI breakthroughs in 2 to 7 years, while its new tool Vibes boosts weekly user return. Hardware sales boomed, with Quest and Ray-Ban glasses selling out. Looking ahead, Q4 revenue guidance is $56 to $59 billion, up 15 to 22% year over year. Full-year expenses are projected at $116 to $118 billion. Full-year capex is projected at $70 to $72 billion, up 94% from last year. For 2026, expect higher AI capex and costs, pressuring margins but accelerating revenue growth. The Q4 tax rate is guided at 12 to 15%. Key risks: EU rules threatening Europe's 24% of ad revenue, US child safety tests, and antitrust cases. In AI, Meta competes with Google and Microsoft. Analysts see 22% revenue growth in 2026.